morning po mga kababayan, ma'am sir. This is John, the Filipino Channel. Niyo pong lingkod. So today is May 26, 2026. At tayo ngayon ang pupunta dyan sa may Tryon Tower, sa may McKinley Parkway Driveway, McKinley Parkway, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig po yan, BGC. At dadalhin po natin sa may Greenberg 5, Legazpi Street, San Lorenzo, Makati. Magbabalik po tayo mamaya dito. Disclaimer naman po, ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya nga naman sakali man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government o private man yan, ay wala pong kinalaman ang channel na ito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po na pinag-uusapan dito ay pangwang dito lamang po yan sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas. Magbabalik po tayo mamaya unti pag nakuha na po natin sila. Samantala, makinig tayo ng mga nagbabagang balita at talakayan habang tayo ay papunta doon yan sa ating pick-up area.
In 10 meters, turn left at the traffic light. Continue straight at this traffic light. Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then, in 20 meters, your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
Good morning po, Sir Chong.
Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then, at the second traffic light, turn right. Enter right Post Lane, then in 80 meters, turn right at the traffic light. Continue for 100 meters, then turn right onto Greenbelt Drive. right at the traffic light. Enter rightmost lane, then in 60 meters, turn right at the traffic light. Continue for 200 meters, then turn right onto Legazpi Street. In 100 meters, turn right at the traffic light. In 60 meters, turn right at the traffic light. Turn right, then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived at your destination.
Ito, ingat po, God bless po. Po.
Arriving in 3 minutes at 11 a.m. This route is toll-free. Ay, ayan, so na-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood hanggang sa muli. Ingat, God bless. Paalam po.